A perfect smile is considered to be one of the most attractive features a person can have. Unfortunately, there are many things that can harm your teeth, such as smoking, too much caffeine, and irregular dental care. Our seemingly innocent daily habits can actually cause problems such as dental plaque. If you wish to reduce your dental visits, stay with me and find out 6 ways to remove dental plaque naturally. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda can be used as a natural scrub and it is often used in many remedies. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a pinch of salt and simply dip your wet toothbrush into the mixture and brush your teeth as usual. 2. Aloe vera and glycerin. To make a more powerful natural toothpaste, you'll need 1 cup water, 1/2 cup baking soda, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 4 teaspoons vegetable glycerin, 1 teaspoon lemon essential oil. Brush your teeth with this mixture and watch as your teeth appear whiter, shinier, and healthier within minutes. 3. Orange peel. After you eat an orange, rub the orange peel on your teeth. It's an easy way to clean your tooth enamel. It will whiten the teeth and it helps prevent stains and fight off bacteria. After you're done rubbing for a few minutes, simply rinse it off with some water. 4. Sesame seeds. You can take a handful of sesame seeds, chew on them for several minutes and spit them out for an easy way to clean your teeth and gently remove dental plaque. Afterwards, use a dry brush to remove any remaining seeds. You can also use this scrub to remove stains from your teeth. 5. Vitamin tooth mask. Mashing up fruits and veggies containing vitamin C is a quick and easy way to create a plaque-preventing paste mask for your teeth. Simply mash together tomatoes, strawberries and oranges and put the paste on your teeth. Wait for 5 to 6 minutes and rinse. This will help kill any bacteria in your mouth and freshen up your breath. 6. Vinegar solution. This is not the tastiest solution, but it is 100% natural and it cleanses your teeth without causing any damage. 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon salt, 4 ounces water. Combine the ingredients, rinse and repeat for several days for maximum effect. We hope you were able to find a remedy that fits you in the list above. Perhaps you may know of some natural remedies of your own? Please share with us in the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.